So it's Emma here, and this is gonna be a channel for me and my friend Madison, and we live so far away from each other. It's like over 20 hours or whatever, and we have videos from about 2 years ago of Madison pissing off birds, and we were talking earlier today, and she was like, we should really upload that on our channel, and I think that would be a good first video. So I guess y'all will just be watching videos from 2 years ago of Madison pissing off a bird and me and her mom just laughing at her. And so she wants me to say she's really weird and stuff, and so yeah, it's just gonna be all of the videos put together, so if it doesn't make sense, that's why there's like 4 videos, I think, and I'm gonna be editing those right now.
Wait, take it on your camera roll though, so we can send it to
And by the last clip of the video is actually the bird kept making that noise till we walked out of the room, and it was really funny. Me and her mom were just both recording it. We were like, dude, what the fuck? And it was so funny. And yeah, Madison and I just want to share that with the world, I guess, and I hope you guys at least found it funny. So